this video, let's see the BMW 1-inch wheel space before and after. After installing the 1-inch wheel spacers, it can reduce the gap between the tire and the fender. This improves the cosmetic and stability. Most BMW X7 look better when the wheel gap is not so pronounced and the tires are flush with the fender. Consider a proper set of 1-inch wheel spacers if you are trying to achieve a unique sporty look. 1-inch wheel spacers will add about 1-inch back spacing for the wheels. Whether you upgrade to larger diameter wheels or bigger performance brakes, keeping the back spacing correct will avoid most rubbing issues. If you put 1-inch wheel spacers on each wheel, that adds a total of 2-inch track width. You don't need to worry about the wheels hitting the fender after installing 1-inch spacers. If you are concerned that our spacers will cause vibration, we recommend that you buy high-quality half-century wheel spacers. A half-century wheel spacers come with a half-century lift to transition. The protrusion may extending a few millimeters beyond the half-century lips of the wheel spacers on some vehicles. In this case, you will need to change to wheel spacers with thinner half-century lips. For a better fit of the wheel spacers to the hub projection, use BONOSS half-century 1-inch wheel spacers. Every vehicle is different. As long as you choose the right half-century 1-inch wheel spacers, there is no problem. The precision of the BONOSS 1-inch wheel spacers has reached 0.02 mm. Precise 1-inch wheel spacers provide high surface integrity, effectively guarantee safety, stability, and reliability. They also ensure the smooth operation of vehicle wheel parts. 1-inch wheel spacers fit the BMW X7 perfectly. The wheel spacers push the wheel out slightly. Unlike these outstands, you can install the 1-inch wheel spacers on your BMW X7 front and rear wheels if you want to, but do not forget to install the same size of wheel spacers on the wheels. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.